Hey, what is up? James Bill here, guys. And today I'm in my makeshift office. I call it my secondary office space. It's outdoors in my patio area. I like to come out here whenever the weather permits. And today it's a very sunny and beautiful day, even though you can't really see the sun because the way I have it set up here for office space. But anyway, today I want to share with you 4 very highly effective income skills that's going to help you earn 10K per month fast. Stay tuned. I want to share with you and talk about the 4 highly effective income skills that's going to help you gain the results and the type of income that you desire. I'm sure that you've all heard this one before, that the fortune is in the follow-up. Let's take a second look at this. The fortune is in the follow-up. Guys, that's what I want to talk to you about today, the follow-up. There's so many people leaving money on the table by not doing the follow-up. The fortune is truly in the follow-up, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into this. The 4 highly effective income skills. Number 1, email your list daily. Email your list daily with relevant content. Also, just let them know a little bit about who you are, your family, and your lifestyle. And what this does, this builds trust. And it doesn't have to be too personal or anything like that. But, just if you go out and have a nice dinner, it's okay to post those pictures and share that with them. If you're on vacation, obviously you want to share that. And you don't have to run and get behind a Lamborghini and, hey, this is my lifestyle. This business is about transparency, being true to who you are and helping others. And once you get that in your mindset and start doing that, guys, your business is going to skyrocket. But what this is going to do is build the trust between you and your prospect, your leading prospects. And if you don't know, but for those of you that do know, we know how important this one is. Know, like, and trust. People only buy from people that they know, like, and trust. That's why you want to build rapport with your list and your prospects. Number 2, your phone. Pick up the phone and call your leads sometime. Try calling your leads and prospects. Hey, Joe, I see that you signed up to my list. Blah, blah, blah. What do you do? And when Joe tells you what he do, you start engaging with him and let him know what you do. Don't ask somebody a question that you're not willing to answer yourself. You let him know what you do, and you hold a conversation with Joe and trade value. And that's why it's so important, guys, to know your product. If you have a product or offer, it's really super important that you know your product. Because when it comes down to holding a conversation with someone else to try to share knowledge about your product or offer or service, you need to know exactly what your product does and exactly how it can help someone. Start a real conversation, find out what they're struggling with, and provide a solution. Direct them to your product, offer, or service only if you feel it can help them. You see, everybody's not going to be a fit for what you have to offer. And you don't want to force anything that you have on somebody that don't need that, just don't want it. So you have the conversation and find out. You'll be able to tell quickly if your product can help that person or not, especially if you know your product. Number 3, engage. Ask questions. You see, when people comment or like on your comment, you want to ask them what was their biggest takeaway. Ask them what was their biggest takeaway. What did they get out of this here? Because again, their questions will pretty much let you know what their struggles are. Ah, did you get that? Their questions will pretty much let you know what their struggles are. Then you can start to let them know and answer their questions and help them to solve their problems and direct them to your offer. Number 4, webinars. Webinars are powerful, guys. And I have to admit, this is not one of my areas of expertise. I've chosen other methods and platforms to do my business and models, but the webinars are very powerful. And it's suggested that you do one per week. You know, and one thing that I do know about webinars, like myself, I was very fearful at first to jump on a webinar, but you right here, they don't have to be all that formal. They don't have to be all that formal, guys. Keep your business simple. Simply send a message out to your list, your Facebook friends or Facebook groups, and let them know what it is that you're going to be speaking on, what time and where. And that's all it is to it. And you can do this on Zoom for free, guys. So there's nothing holding you back. You can do this on Zoom for free. So anyway, I want to share that with you, the 4 highly effective income skills. I hope you got value from this. And guys, if you go out and implement these strategies, please let me know if you have any results with the methods or strategies that I've just given you here. It's really going to help me. And again, please, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, where I'm going to be coming back with more valuable content here, guys. So hoping you the best. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.